singular plural topic. All right. So in this singular and plural, we are going to work on to be forms. With the help of the to be form sentences, we are going to make the sentences also, and also we are going to have the different rules of to be forms, different rules of to be forms. So I'm going to share you our third lesson. Today's our third lesson, that is to be forms. So in this third lesson, we are going to work on singular and plural. Okay, singular and plural nouns, singular and plural nouns. So the first rule is, if you add just s, if you add just s to any, if you add just s to any common noun, then it becomes plural. Pallavi, turn on your video. Rutuja, turn on your video. Shipraji, Nilkant Kale, turn on your video. Pallavi, turn on your video. So in this lesson, we are going to work on singular, plural, singular nouns and plural nouns. So the first general rule is, if you add s to any common nouns, if you add s to any common nouns, then it becomes plural. Okay, then table, tables, mobile, mobiles, pen, pens, worker, workers, teacher, teachers, actor, actors. Okay, table, tables, laptop, laptops. In this way, if you just add yes to any common nouns, then it becomes plural. Okay, now we are going to have some exceptional rules. Some exceptional rules. In these exceptional rules, if you want to make plural of the any singular noun, and if the singular noun ends with s, sh, ch, x, and o. Rutuja, if you want me to speak in Marathi, I can explain you in Marathi. Anywhere, if you don't understand it, you can ask me. Anywhere, if you don't understand it, you can ask me, Vijay, Nilkant, Pallavi, anybody. If you don't understand it in English, you can ask me for Marathi explanation or Hindi explanation. Shipraji, all right? If the word ends with, if any common noun ends with s, sh, ch, x, and o, जर कोणताही सामान्य नाम s, sh, ch, x आणि o ने एंड होत असेल आणि त्याला जर अनेकवचन करायचं असेल तर काय आपण जोडायचं, es जोडायचं. Then we add es to that common noun to make it plural. Okay, in the like bus, buses, bush, bushes, watch, watches, box, boxes, mango, mangoes, watch, watches. All right, so this was the second rule. What was the third rule? Third rule is what? If the common noun ends with y and if it is preceded by vowel letters, like vowel, if it is preceded by consonant letters, then we drop y and add ies. जर सामान्य नामाच्या शेवटी, ऋतुजा, जर सामान्य नामाच्या शेवटी y असेल आणि y च्या पूर्वी ए ई आय ओ यू नसेल, y च्या पूर्वी ए ई आय ओ यू नसेल, तर आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, y काढून टाकायचं आहे, ड्रॉप करायचं आहे आणि ies ऍड करायचं आहे, आणि ies ऍड करायचं आहे. अ बेबी, बेबीज, लेडी, लेडीज, स्टोरी, स्टोरीज, dairy, dairies, company, companies, academy, academies. Fourth rule is just opposite to the third rule. If the word ends with y and if there is a vowel letter before y, then we just add s. जर कोणताही कॉमन नाउन असेल आणि त्या कॉमन नाउनच्या शेवटी y असेल आणि y च्या पूर्वी ए ई आय ओ यू यापैकी कोणताही जर स्वर असेल, तर आपण काय करतो, फक्त एस लावतो, फक्त एस लावतो. ऑलराइट, जसं टॉय, टॉयज, डॉन्की, डॉन्कीज, बॉय, बॉयज, monkey, monkeys, day, days, and trade, trades. The fifth rule is what? If the common noun ends with f or fe, if the common noun ends with f or fe, then we drop f or fe and add to make it plural, and add ves to make it plural. Like leaf, leaves, wife, wives, thief, thieves, calf, calves, knife, knife, and life, lives. All right, five rules. We have seen a lot of common nouns and plural, singular common nouns and plural common nouns. Ritvik, repeat after me. Table, tables. Ritvik, unmute and repeat after me. Table, tables.
Table, tables.
Mobile, mobiles.
Yes, sir.
Mobile, mobiles.
Mobile, mobiles.
Pen, pens.
Pen, pens.
Okay, now everybody is making the plural. I will tell you singular noun and you are making plural. Right? Table. Ritvik, make it plural. Table.
Yes, sir.
Make it plural. Plural. Make it plural. Table.
Tables,
Tables. Mobile.
mobile,
Pen.
pens.
Teacher.
Yes,
Teacher. Teacher.
teachers,
Doctor.
doctors,
Player.
players,
Bus.
buses,
Bush.
pushes,
Watch.
watches,
Box.
boxes,
Mango.
mangoes,
Watch.
watches,
Baby.
babies,
Lady.
ladies,
Story.
stories,
Dairy.
dairies,
Company.
companies,
Academy.
academics,
Academies. Toy.
toys,
Donkey.
donkeys,
Boy.
boys,
Monkey.
monkeys,
Day.
days,
Gray.
trays,
Leaf.
leaves,
Leaves. Wife.
wives,
Thief.
thieves,
Calf.
calves,
Knife.
knives,
Life.
lives.
All right. Very good. Now, Rutuja, unmute yourself and repeat
Yes.
after. Okay. Mute yourself, Rutvik. Okay. And now exceptional rules are there. There are some exceptional rules. I will say a goose. माझ्यानंतर बोलायचंय फक्त. A goose, many geese. ऋतुजा बोला माझ्यानंतर. A goose.
Yes.
A goose,
A goose.
many geese.
A goose.
Many geese.
Many geese.
A child, many children.
Many children.
A woman, many women.
Many women.
A man, एक वचन अनेक वचन दोन्ही पण बोलायचं आहे. A man, many men.
A man, many men.
A mouse, many mice.
A mouse, many mice.
A deer, many deer.
A deer, many deer.
A sheep, many sheep.
A sheep, many sheep.
An ox, many oxen.
An ox, many oxen.
A tooth, many teeth.
A tooth, many tooth.
A foot,
Teeth.
many feet.
A foot, many feet.
Okay. Vijay, repeat after me. A goose, 100 geese.
A goose, 100 geese.
A child, Ritvik, keep repeating after me. Keep repeating after me. In mute status. In mute status, keep repeating after me. A goose, 100 geese.
A goose, 100 geese.
A child, 100 children.
A child, 100 children.
A woman, 100 women.
A woman, 100 women.
A man, 100
Sorry.
men.
A man, 100 men.
A policeman, 100 policemen.
A policeman, 100 policemen.
A washerman, 100 washermen.
A washerman, 100 washermen.
A mouse, 100 mice.
A mouse, 100 mice.
A deer, 100 deer.
A deer, 100 deer.
A sheep, 100 sheep.
A sheep, 100 sheep.
An ox, 100 oxen.
An ox, 100 oxen.
ऋतुजा जोरात बोलायचं आहे. A tooth, 100 teeth.
A
म्यूट
tooth,
मध्ये बोलायचं आहे.
100.
मध्ये
100.
म्यूट करून बोलायचं आहे. A foot, 100 feet.
A foot, 100 feet.
Okay. A doctor, 100 doctors.
A doctor, 100 doctors.
Okay, now I am going to take everybody's test. Now we have learned all the rules. Now I am going to take everybody's test. I will ask you singular and you are making the plural of that singular common noun. Okay, I am going to ask one person, but everybody is making the plural in mute status. I am asking one person, but everybody is making the plural in mute status because we are not going to repeat anything. We are not going to repeat anything. All right, Nandini, answer me. Make it plural. Make it plural, Nandini. Branch. Okay, match. Your sound is a bit disrupted by something, I think. Okay, branch.
Branches.
Correct. Match.
Matches.
Pass. Okay, dish.
Dishes.
Watch.
Watches.
Fox,
boxes,
place,
places,
voice,
voices, voice,
change.
changes,
Okay, page,
pages,
house.
houses,
Okay, Pallavi, make it plural. Hero,
heroes,
mosquito,
mosquitoes,
potato,
potatoes,
tomato,
tomatoes,
sheep.
sheep,
Okay, volcano.
volcanoes,
Okay, casino,
casinos,
piano,
pianos,
radio,
radios,
ratio,
ratios,
solo,
solos,
phrase,
phrases,
size.
sizes,
Okay, Shipraji, make it plural. Phrase, phrase.
Phrases,
Okay, size,
sizes,
candy,
candies,
city,
cities,
lady,
ladies,
story,
stories,
day,
days,
key,
keys,
half,
halves,
loaf,
loaves,
leaf.
leaves,
Okay,
leaves.
self.
self,
Okay, deer,
deer,
shelf,
self,
thief.
thieves,
Okay, wolf,
wolves,
knife,
knives,
life,
lives,
wife,
wives,
policeman,
policemen,
policewoman.
policewomen,
Very good, nice. Rutvik, studio, Rutvik,
Yes, sir.
studio.
Studios,
Okay, brother-in-law.
brother-in-laws,
Okay, you have to make the changes in principal word. Principal word is brother. So brother-in-law, what is the plural of brother-in-law? Brothers-in-law. What is the plural? of
brothers-in-law,
Yeah, correct. Brother-in-law,
yes, sir.
brother-in-law,
Daughters-in-law,
father-in-law,
fathers-in-law,
mother-in-law,
mothers-in-law,
runner-up.
runners-up,
Okay, sister-in-law,
sisters-in-law,
son-in-law.
sons-in-law,
Threes.
three.
There are in my mobile number in this way. Okay, there are 2 B's in Baba in this way. Okay, 3 B.
B,
Okay, percentage.
percentage,
Okay, okay, Mr. Kale, Nilkant Kale.
हाँ सर ओके
Yeah, make the plural. Child,
चाइल्ड
children, children. Okay, food,
फ्रूट्स
food. It is written there. You can see. I have shared a screen. Foot,
फ्रूट्स
feet. One foot, feet. Goose,
सर एक वचन कर म्हणजे अनेक वचन
एकवचनचं
सांगायचं
अनेक वचन सांगायचंय तुम्हाला. फूडचं फीट होतं, चाइल्डचं चिल्ड्रेन होतं, गुजचं काय होणार? गुज.
गुड
हा, ओके, माझ्यानंतर बोला. चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रेन.
चाइल्ड चिल्ड्रन
समजून घ्या. फूट, फीट.
फूट फीट
गुज, गीज.
गूज गीज
टूथ, टीथ.
टूथ टीथ
लाउस, लाइस.
लव लाइक
माउस, माइस.
माउस माइस
ऑक्स, ऑक्सन.
ऑक्स ऑक्सन
मैन, मेन.
मैन मैन
वुमन, वुमेन.
वुमन वुमेन
जेंटलमैन, जेंटलमैन.
जेंटलमैन जेंटलमैन
पुलिसमैन, पुलिसमैन.
पुलिसमैन पुलिसमैन
Got it?
हाँ ओके
Now make it plural. Vijay, make it plural. Child,
childs,
children.
children's,
Foot,
feets,
feet नाही, feet होता फक्त. Goose.
feet, geese,
Okay, tooth,
tooths,
teeth.
teeth,
Okay, louse,
leaves,
lice. Louse.
Lice.
The plural of louse is lice. Okay, mouse,
lice, mice,
mice. Correct. Ox,
oxen,
Oxen. Man.
man,
Okay. Woman.
woman,
Gentleman.
gentlemen,
Policeman.
policemen,
Men's name. Men. Policemen. Gentlemen. Women. Men. In this way. All right. Now we are just going to have we are going to make some sentences. Rutuja, repeat after me. This is a baby. Okay, Rutuja, unmute करा आणि मग बोला. This is a baby.
This is a baby.
These are two babies.
These are two babies.
That is a baby.
That is a baby.
Those are two babies.
Those are two babies.
There is a baby.
There is a baby.
There are two babies.
There are two babies.
Here is a baby.
Here is a baby.
Here are two babies.
Here are two babies.
Okay, Rutvik, can you make the sentences? Make it. This is a foot. These are 2 feet. Start.
Yes, sir.
Make the sentences. This is a foot. These are 2 feet. That is a foot. Those are 2 feet in this way. Okay, just repeat after me. Then you will understand. Just repeat after me. This is a foot.
This is a foot.
These are
Yeah.
2 feet.
These are 2 feet.
Correct. That is a foot.
That is a bus. Those
No, no.
are 2 buses.
Only one word. That is one pair of word. A foot and 2 feet.
Okay.
That is a foot.
That is a foot.
Those are 2
So
feet.
those are 2 feet.
2 feet.
2 feet.
There is a foot.
There is a foot.
There are.
There are 2 feet.
Here is a.
Here is a foot. There
Here are.
Here are 2 feet.
Very good. Okay. Again. Make again. This is a bus.
This is a bus. These are 2 buses. That is a bus. These
Those are.
are 2 buses. There is a bus. There are 2 buses. Here is a bus. Here are 2 buses.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Then Pallavi, make the sentences. This is a potato.
This is the potato. These are 2 potatoes. That is a potato. Those are 2 potatoes. There is a potato. There are 2 potatoes. Here is a potato. Here are 2 potatoes.
One more. This is a table.
This is a table. These are 2 tables. That is a table. Those are 2 tables. There is a table. There are 2 tables. Here is a table. Here are 2 tables.
Okay. Very good. Nandini, make the sentences. This is a candy.
This is a candy. These are 2 candies. That is a candy. Those are 2 candies. There is a candy. There are 2 candies. Here is a candy. There are 2 candies.
Very good. Shipra, one more. One more. Nandini, this is a woman. These are 2 women.
Okay, sir. This is a woman. These are 2 women. That is a woman. Those are 2 women. There is a woman. There are 2 women. Here is a woman. Here are 2 women.
Okay. I think your Bluetooth is not set up well, so the sound is breaking. Okay, Shipraji. This is a bus. This is a rubber.
Okay. Okay, sir. Where is rubber?
Rubber and 2 rubbers. This is a rubber. These are 2 rubbers.
This is a rubber. There are 2 rubbers. These are 2 rubbers. That is a rubber. Those are 2 rubbers. There is a rubber. There are 2 rubbers. Here is a rubber. Here are 2 rubbers.
Okay. This is a girl. This is a
This is a
girl.
girl. These are 2 girls. That is a girl. That is a girl. Those are 2 girls. There is a girl. There are 2 girls. Here is a girl. Here are 2 girls.
Very good. Yeah. Guy Vijayji, make the sentences. This is a box. These are 2 boxes.
Okay, sir. This is a box. These are 2 boxes. That is a box. Those are 2 boxes. There is a box. there are two boxes. Here is a box. Here are two boxes.
Very good. This is a tree. These are two trees.
This is a tree. These are two trees. That is a tree. Those are two trees. There is a tree. There are two trees. Here is a tree. Here are two trees.
Very good. Yeah. Rutuja, make the sentences. This is a baby. These are two babies.
This is the baby. These are two baby. That is the baby. Those are two baby. There is baby. There are two babies. Here is baby. Here are two babies.
This is a bus. These are two buses. Bola.
This is a bus. These are two buses. That is a bus. Those are two buses. There is a bus. There are two buses. Here is bus. Here are two buses.
Very good. Yeah. Nilkant Kale, make the sentences. This is a candy. These are two candies.
This is a candy. These are two candy. That is a candy. Those are two candy. There is a candy. There are two candy. Here is a candy. Here are candy.
Very good. This is a box. These are two boxes.
This is a box. These are boxes.
These
That
are
is a
two
box.
boxes.
That is a box. Those are two boxes. There is a box. There are two boxes. Here is a box. Here are two boxes.
Very good. In this way, we completed our singular and plural topic. Now we are going to go for the next topic, that is to be forms. Okay. Now we are going to study to be forms. So I just want to explain very important tips for you. That is to be forms and tenses. What is the difference between to be forms and tenses? We make a lot of mistakes only because we don't know how to use to be forms and how to use tenses, or how to differentiate between to be forms and tenses. So what is to be forms and what is tenses? To be forms, it means which indicates time. It is written there. To be forms, it means which indicates time, and sentences without action verb. It means they just indicate the time, but they do not have the actions in the sentence. In to be form sentences, there is no action, only time is there. Like I am in the hospital. I am in the hospital, it means is there any action in the sentence?
No sent.
यदि मैं आपको बोलूं कि मैं हॉस्पिटल में हूं, तो उसमें कोई एक्शन है क्या? नहीं है, सिर्फ मैं हूं इतना ही पता चलता है हॉस्पिटल में, तो प्रेजेंट पता चलता है. मैं हॉस्पिटल में था, तो उससे क्या पता चलता है? सिर्फ पास्ट पता चलता है, लेकिन क्या कर रहा था ये नहीं पता चलता. मैं हॉस्पिटल में रहूंगा, इससे क्या पता चलता है? मैं क्या करूंगा ये नहीं पता चलता, मैं सिर्फ उस समय होऊंगा इतना ही पता चलता है. सो द सेंटेंसेस which indicates just time, they are called to be forms, and the sentences which indicates time and action, the sentences which indicates time and action, they are called tenses. जसं मी अभ्यास करतो, मी अभ्यास करतो ह्यामध्ये दोन गोष्टी कळतात, वेळ पण कळते, प्रेझेंट मध्ये अभ्यास करतो, आणि करणे, अभ्यास करणे हे पण कळतं. सो दॅट इज टेन्स. दॅट इज टेन्स. टेन्स इट मीन्स मी अभ्यास करतो, मी अभ्यास केला, मी अभ्यास करेन, मी अभ्यास करत आहे, मी अभ्यास करत होतो. These all are the tenses. Why? Because tenses indicate time and action, and to be forms indicate just time. So to be forms, there are three to be forms in English. Present to be forms, that is am, are, is. Past to be forms, that is was, were, was. And future to be forms, that is will be and shall be. And in tenses, there are 12 tenses: present 4, past 4, and future 4. In this way, there are 12 tenses. Now we are going to see all the to be forms and tenses in the next lessons. So I just want to ask you again, what is the difference between tense and to be forms? That is my question for you all. So you are going to explain me tense काय असतं and to be forms काय असतं. I'll explain you in Marathi also. Tense it means ज्या वाक्यामध्ये फक्त आणि फक्त वेळ कळते, क्रिया काय चालू आहे हे कळत नाही, त्याला काय म्हणायचं? टू बी फॉर्म्स. आणि ज्या वाक्यामध्ये वेळ पण कळते आणि क्रिया पण कळते, त्याला म्हणायचं टेन्स. मी हॉस्पिटलमध्ये आहे, मी हॉस्पिटलमध्ये होतो, मी हॉस्पिटलमध्ये असेन, दीज आर द टू बी फॉर्म्स. आणि मी अभ्यास करतो, केला, करेन, करत आहे, करत होतो, करत असेल, केलेला आहे, केलेला होतो, केलेला असेल, अशा प्रकारे जिथं जिथं क्रियापद येतं ते सर्व काय आहे, टेन्स आहे. ऑलराइट, गॉट इट. नाउ हू इज गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन मी व्हाट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन, या शिप्राजी.
There is a sentence without any action, then it is to be forms. If there is a sentence which includes action, then it is the tenses.
Okay, fine. Okay, just tell me the some sentences of to be forms. Okay, just differentiate between which sentence is the to be forms and which sentence is a tense. Okay, I am in college. To be form sentence or to be
It's
forms?
to be forms.
Okay, I was on the ground yesterday.
To be forms.
My friend is confident.
To be form.
I went to college.
Tense.
Tense.
They are challenging her.
They are challenging her. Tense.
To
She
be.
is driving a car.
Tense.
Very good, good job. Now next, who is going to tell me the difference between to be form sentence? Raise your hands, please. Everybody has to tell. Here, everybody has to tell.
Sir,
Yes, please. Ha, Pallavi.
in the to be form, there indicates time, and in tense there indicates action.
Okay, time and action both.
Time and action.
Okay, now you just tell me I will tell you some sentences, and you are going to tell me whether they are to be form sentences or tense sentences. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, she is in the office.
To be form.
To be forms. They are on the way.
To be form.
Okay, she is in kitchen.
To be form.
I am learning English.
Tense.
We are going to college.
Tense.
She is asking several questions.
Tense.
Very good. So these are the tenses. Nice. Third, everybody is going to explain, because if you don't know this explanation, then I think you will get a lot of confusion in making to be forms and tense sentences. सर्वांनी सांगायचं आहे. ऋतुजा, विजय, नीलकंठ, ऋत्विक, नंदिनी, मोनिका. हा, नंदिनी, प्लीज.
टू बी फ्रॉम मध्ये क्रिया असते आणि ऍक्शन येते, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण ते टेन्सेस असतात.
नाही, टू बी फॉर्म्स मध्ये फक्त वेळ कळते.
फक्त वेळ कळते.
म्हणजे प्रेझेंट वेळ, पास्ट वेळ की फ्युचर वेळ, दॅट इज टू बी फॉर्म्स. आणि टेन्स
Okay.
मध्ये वेळ पण कळते आणि क्रिया पण असते.
टाइम पण स्प्लिट.
ओके, आता मला सांगा टू बी फॉर्म्स कोणतं सेंटेन्स आहे, टेन्स कोणतं सेंटेन्स आहे.
Okay.
चिल्ड्रन आर इन गार्डन. चिल्ड्रन आर इन
चिल्ड्रन आर
गार्डन.
इन गार्डन. चिल्ड्रन आर इन अ गार्डन. टू बी फॉर्म.
टू बी फॉर्म्स. माय ब्रदर इज इन द ऑफिस.
माय ब्रदर ऑफिस. टू बी.
ओके, स्मिता इज स्मार्ट.
स्मिता इज स्मार्ट. टू बी.
ओके, शी इज टॉकिंग टू मी.
शी इज टू बी सर.
टॉकिंग इज देअर.
टॉकिंग. टेन्स सर.
टेन्स. दे आर वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स.
दे आर वॉशिंग क्लोथ. टेन्स सर.
Tense. We are having fun.
We are having fun.
Having is there.
To be.
Having is a action,
Oh yeah, yes sir. Tense.
Tense. Got it? It means if there is a action, then it is tense. Action and time is tense, and only time is to be forms. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Ritwik, tell me the explanation.
हॅलो
Yes, please.
सर, टू बी फॉर्म्स म्हणजे की त्याच्यामध्ये टाइम इंडिकेट केला जातो, की ज्या सेंटेन्सेस मध्ये मी समजा याच्यामध्ये फक्त आपण टाइम बद्दल सांगतो किंवा म्हणजे टेन्स म्हणजे की
Time
त्याच्यामध्ये
कळतं त्या sentence
टाइम आणि
मध्ये.
ऍक्शन दोन्ही इंडिकेट करतो त्याच्यामध्ये.
व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी गुड. म्हणजे टाइम कळतं म्हणजे कोणाची टाइम कळते, कर्त्याची टाइम कळते.
येस.
आय एम इन द हॉस्पिटल म्हणजे कोण हॉस्पिटल मध्ये आहे, आय.
येस.
Okay, so that is to be forms. And in the sentence where we come to know about the subject's time and action, then that is called tense. All right.
टेन्स.
Okay, now I'll give you again. I'll just tell you some sentences. Tell me whether they are tenses or to be forms. Okay. We are traveling today.
Hello.
We are traveling today. Tense or to be forms?
We are traveling today. Sir, to be forms. नाही tense.
Why tense?
सर कारण की म्हणजे सगळेजण ट्रॅव्हल करताय.
Traveling is a action, you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. She shouted at me. She shouted at me.
Tense.
Why? Because shout is the action.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I ignored her. I ignored her.
Tense.
Why? Because ignore is the action.
Yes, sir.
She is beautiful.
Sir, tense.
Where is the action? She is beautiful. Where is the action? There is no action. Only she is beautiful. म्हणजे ती सुंदर आहे. ती सुंदर आहे म्हणजे टाइम कळतं ना आपल्याला फक्त की ती प्रेझेंट मध्ये सुंदर आहे.
Okay.
She was beautiful. That is a to be forms. She will be beautiful. That is to be forms. Okay. My pen is in the pocket. My pen is in the pocket.
To be forms.
Correct. Okay. We are on the way.
To be forms.
Okay. She is amazing.
To be forms.
Okay. I wake up early.
To be forms.
I wake up early.
Tense, sir.
Why? Because wake up is the verb there. Got it? Nilkant.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nilkant.
Sir.
Give me the difference. Tell me the difference between to be forms and tense.
To be forms मध्ये सर म्हणजे I will म्हणजे am is are परत was were had have has will be shall be म्हणजे ह्याच्यात फक्त टाइमच कळतोय आणि सेंटेन्स मध्ये ऍक्शन प्लस टाइम हे दोन्ही पण कळतंय.
Okay. The patient is in the hospital. To be forms or tense? The patient is in the hospital. To be forms. Okay. Very good. The doctor is checking the patients.
Tense.
Tense. Why? Because checking is the verb. Okay.
Checking.
Okay. The government is trying to make available the vaccine. Government is trying to make available the vaccine. Tense. Why? Because try is there. Okay.
Try.
Very good. The government is not corrupt.
म्हणजे ह्याच्यातलं टेन्स मधलं
कुठे आहे क्रियापद सांगा मग मला.
नाही हे याच्यातलं टू बी फॉर्म्स मधलं.
To be forms because there is no action verb, you know. There is no action verb. Okay. She is in difficulty. She is in difficulty. To be forms. Correct. Very good.
सर एक मिनिट आता मी हॉस्पिटल मध्ये आहे. आय एम इन हॉस्पिटल म्हणजे हे टाइम सांगतो म्हणजे टाइम पण सांगतो.
I am in hospital. Present time. I was in hospital. Past time. I shall be in hospital. Future time.
आता आय हॅड अ गन म्हणजे माझ्याकडे गन होती. म्हणजे हे पण टाइम दाखवतो. बरोबर आहे.
परंतु आय हॅड अ गन हे टेन्स मध्ये आहे. हे टू बी फॉर्म्स नाही आहे.
सर टेन्स मध्ये आहे का आय हॅड अ गन?
I have a gun. I had a gun. I will have a gun. I am having a gun. I was having a gun. I will be having a gun. These are the tenses. Because have म्हणजे possession असणे. have म्हणजे क्रिया आहे ना. ती possession असणे असा अर्थ होतो त्याचा. बाळगणे जसा अर्थ होतो ना तसा. All right?
Okay.
All right. Vijay. Tell me the difference between tense and to be forms.
Sir, to be मध्ये am is are was were shall will.
Shall be will be.
हो shall be will be आणि टेन्सेस मध्ये वर्ब पण येतं ऍक्शन वर्ब. सर मला हे खालचं टेन्सचं नाही कळलं सर म्हणजे कसं.
टेन्स मध्ये ऍक्शन पण येतं आणि टाइम पण येतं ना. जसं मी अभ्यास करतो तर तुम्हाला काय कळालं, ते प्रेझेंट कळालं, पास्ट कळालं की फ्युचर कळालं?
हो प्रेझेंट कळालं, मी अभ्यास
प्रेझेंट कळालं. ओके. आता आणि क्रिया कोणती कळाली तुम्हाला?
करतो.
अभ्यास करणे ही क्रिया कळाली ना.
हो.
म्हणजे तुम्हाला टेन्स मध्ये काय कळतं, काळ पण कळतं, म्हणजे टाइम पण कळतं आणि ऍक्शन पण कळतं. परंतु समजा मी बेडरूम मध्ये आहे, तुम्हाला काय कळालं?
मी बेडरूम मध्ये आहे, फक्त आहे, मी बेडरूम मध्ये आहे.
आहे कळालं. आहे म्हणजे वेळ कळाली ना, प्रेझेंट वेळ कळाली ना तुम्हाला.
हो हो.
मग काय करताय कळतंय का त्यामध्ये, मी बेडरूम मध्ये आहे ह्यामध्ये?
नाही, त्याच्यात नाही कळत.
हा, मग अशी जी वाक्यरचना आहे की ज्यामध्ये फक्त वेळ कळते त्याला म्हणायचं टू बी फॉर्म्स, आणि ज्यामध्ये वेळ पण कळतं आणि क्रिया पण कळते त्याला म्हणायचं टेन्स. कळलं? गॉट इट?
हो.
ओके. ऋतुजा,
Yes.
हा तुम्ही सांगू शकता? ओके, मला सांगा, ज्यामध्ये फक्त वेळ कळते त्याला काय म्हणायचं, टू बी फॉर्म्स की टेन्स?
And to be forms.
आणि ज्यामध्ये वेळ आणि क्रिया दोन्ही पण कळते त्याला काय म्हणायचं?
Tense.
Very good, very good. Now we are going to see. So there are 3 to be forms in English: present to be forms, MR is; past to be forms, was, were; and future to be forms is will be or shall be. So today we are just going to start the to be forms present. Today we are going to just start the to be forms present, and here we are going to use the same all the singular and plural pronouns. Singular and plural pronouns. Okay, just repeat after me. Repeat after me. Yeah. Pallavi, repeat after me. I am a dog.
हॅलो सर.
हा बोला.
सर, जे म्हणजे सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेड प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट जे ह्या टाइप मध्ये जे वाक्य आहेत ती सर वाक्य ह्याच्यामध्ये येत नाही का, मग म्हणजे टू बी फॉर्म्स मध्ये?
ओके. ऐका, हॅव हे काय आहे? हॅवचा अर्थ काय होतो? हॅव हे क्रियापद आहे. हॅव हे काय आहे? क्रियापद आहे.
क्रियापद.
हा, मुख्य क्रियापद आहे. हॅव हे मुख्य क्रियापद आहे. हॅव म्हणजे फर्स्ट फॉर्म, हॅड हे सेकंड फॉर्म, आणि हॅड हे थर्ड फॉर्म. आय हॅव अ कोल्ड, आय हॅड अ कोल्ड, आय विल हॅव अ कोल्ड, आय एम हॅव्हिंग कोल्ड, आय वॉज हॅव्हिंग कोल्ड, असे 12 टेन्स बनतात त्याचे. निलखंड कळालं? त्यामुळे ते कशामध्ये येणार? टेन्स मध्ये येणार. आणि फक्त एमआरईज, आय एम इन द हॉस्पिटल.
आणि सर विल बी आणि शाल बी आणि विल हॅव आणि शाल हॅव हे दोन्ही पण टू बी मध्ये येते का?
ते आता तुम्हाला कळेल नंतर. टेन्स मध्ये डू, डज, डीड, विल, एमआरईज, वॉज, वेअर, विल बी, शाल बी, हॅव, हॅज, हॅड, विल हॅव बीन, हॅज बीन, हॅड बीन, विल हॅव बीन, हे सर्व टेन्स मध्ये येतं. आता फक्त टू बी फॉर्म समजून घ्या म्हणजे कन्फ्युजन होणार नाही. टू बी फॉर्म्स मध्ये काय येतं? एमआरईज प्रेझेंट, वॉज, वेअर पास्ट, आणि शाल बी, विल बी फ्यूचर. ऑलराइट शिप्रा जी, टू बी फॉर्म्स में क्या आता है? एमआरईज में प्रेजेंट में एमआरईज आता है, पास्ट में वॉज, वेयर आता है, और फ्यूचर में शाल बी, विल बी आता है. बस. आई एम इन द हॉस्पिटल, आई वॉज इन द हॉस्पिटल, आई शाल बी इन द हॉस्पिटल. ओके. नंदिनी, जस्ट रिपीट आफ्टर मी. आई एम इन द हॉस्पिटल,
I am in the hospital.
I was in the hospital,
I was in the hospital.
I shall be in the hospital.
I shall be in the hospital.
They are on the ground,
They are on the ground.
they were on the ground,
They were on the ground.
they will be on the ground.
They will be on the ground.
She is in the hostel,
She is in the hostel.
she was in the hostel,
She was in the hostel.
she will be in the hostel.
She will be in the hostel.
I am happy today,
I am happy today.
I was happy yesterday,
I was happy yesterday.
I shall be happy tomorrow.
I shall be happy.
I shall
Happy
be
tomorrow.
happy tomorrow.
I shall be happy tomorrow.
They are on the way,
They are on the way.
they were on the way,
They were on the way.
they will be on the way.
They will be on the way.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, in this way we talked about all the singular, plural, and to be forms. From tomorrow onwards we are going to see tomorrow we are going to see 2 lessons. Tomorrow we are going to see two lessons. The first is to be forms present and second is to be forms past. Hope everybody understood the to be forms. All right, are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?